Hello student, today we are going to make card for what is coming there is Father's Day. And see, this is a pop-up card only. Can you see? It's moving, right? But we are not going to this character monkey. We are going to do a beautiful girl playing a violin. See, the hands is moving. So let's start. One more card we are going to make, but first we will start with this. We need a drawing paper. This is A4 size, two papers. Okay. See, I had drawn the character. You can draw the full thing also, full character, but I am just drawing this much. And cut one paper, small paper. Okay. See, I had fold this a little bit. See, a little bit, not too much. Now keep it in the center and press it. Use your carbon. Why we need, I will tell you, because we want this hand should be drawn. See, after finishing this, you don't have to draw this hand. You are going to draw hands on other hand. See, after getting this, okay, this much only you have to draw. The hands we are going to draw on the other page. See, and draw the hands separately. For this reason, we are
drawing separately hand. For this reason, we
It will
need
come nicely.
a
Okay.
tracing paper.
See, this way we are drawn the hands. Now both things we are going to color and then we have to cut it. So use whichever color you want. Okay. Whichever color you like, you can color the frock. Yes, I'm going to use pink color. So this hand should be also done with the pink. Okay, now this we had colored. Now I'm going to cut this. Okay, first we will cut this. See, student, now I had cut this. Now this is your the position of the hand. Now here you're going to make a hole. I'm keeping a eraser. Take a ball pen, just little bit round. You can use punching machine also if you cannot, so you can use punching machine also. See, this much hole I had made it. Now take your card, whichever card you had taken. See the size of the inside paper, how much it is. It's little bit smaller than the this side. See, this is a smaller paper. Okay, this much small paper you have. Okay, first you are going to stick this paper. See, above this line, see, this is the center line. I'm just keeping on the center line. Okay, press it. See, this is above. See, this much space will be remain. Stick it, let it stick it. Okay, see, when it's coming out, see, if it is coming out, then you have to fold more. So fold it more. You have to see that sticking where, see, this is a fold, I'm sticking here. Okay, here I'm sticking, not down on the line. See, after sticking this, see this hole, you can see the hole. You have to hold this way only. Okay, the point. So you will get the point. Across this point, you are going to make
cross way. You have to make the
see,
point.
Children, you are taking this paper. You have to take smaller than this portion. Okay. Children, we will make the hole. Okay, we got the hole. Now take a strip. We are going to draw a shape like this. See. Okay. Strip like this. See, can you see? Now what I am going to do? I'm just going to cut like this. Okay, see, here, and I'm going to fold this, so it will be stiff, so it is very easy to hold the hand. Okay, now first put from the down. Okay, bring up. Okay, now this will be work like a lock. Now,
putting to the upside hole.
see, if the hole is small, make it bigger. Put into the hole. Now it is little bit bigger, so first keep your thing. Okay, okay, see, this way, mark it. So this much you have to cut it. Okay, so we are going to cut this. Apply a glue on the strip. Okay, apply the glue on the strip here. Keep your hand. See, when you are keeping a hand, see that you are keeping nicely. A little bit more we should cut. Nicely put the glue. See, your hand, you are keeping it like this. See, on the strip. Let it dry and then only you open, otherwise it will remove. See, let it dry. See, okay, so enjoy your craft. One more card we are going to make. So okay, so I had drawn one character this type of. See, you have to draw compulsory this leg like this only, whichever character you are, girl, boy, but I want a jumping position this way. So now I'm going to show the foldings, then we are going to put inside. Now see, first this way, first fold it, okay, fold like this. See on this point where the pant is there, fold like this, okay. Now one more fold, the down portion fold. See, from the knee, okay, from the knee you're going to fold. See, now this will come up, fold it like this and fold it like this. See, can you see the fold? See what I had done, first I have folded this way, then understood, on the knee. See, you will get this way. Can you see the back portion? See how it is coming, how it is folding. So this way you have to fold it. See, now take your card, fold it first, see that it is coming out or not. If it is a big paper, see, fold it. See, it should be inside. See, yes, this is okay for now. See, understood? Now what you have to do, you have to stick this in the center of the paper. See, we had already removed the center. Can you see this? Now we are going to stick only on the knee portion, not the whole thing. See, only the knee portion from here to the shoes line. Keep into the center. See, again, see the position. It's going out or not. See it and then stick it. See, only till the knee, which first fold we had done, till there only you have to fold it. Now look, press it nicely. Hey, happy Father's Day. Hey, happy Father's Day. So you can hang something in his hand also if you like, and write happy Father's Day also. See, like this strip, and you can just hold it like this and write your happy Father's Day, or like that also you can do it. So enjoy your craft and happy Father's Day to everyone.